In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily get all the latest versions of Instagram in 2024. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and make sure to hit that like button and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, if you want the latest features of Instagram and you want the latest app version of Instagram, you can do two things. The first thing you can do is to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and you'll have to search for Instagram. Simply search for it, and after that it will say update or open. You can simply click on update and Instagram will be updated very soon. But if it says open and you are not, and it says that you are on latest version, but actually you are not on the latest version, there is a way to force update Instagram. You can go to settings, scroll down and go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then you'll have to click on Instagram and you'll simply have to click on offload app and click on offload and then click reinstall the application, and it will be force updated, and it will give you all the latest features of Instagram that you want. So that's how you can easily update your Instagram to the latest version and get all the latest versions of Instagram in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.